my beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. The name of my channel is HealthGlow Hub. In HealthGlow Hub, we will be doing a series of things there that will help you grow. Yes, it's a health channel and it's going to be dealing with your mental health. It's going to be dishing out topics on how your general health, on what you should eat, on the diseases and their symptoms, and how to combat illnesses, and how to take care of yourself. Yes, and we'll be dealing with uh, all the exercise that you needed to be doing to keep fit. We'll be talking about how to take care of our skin, our mental health, our general health as well. So watch out, because I think each day we'll be bringing out things you need to do in your daily life that will enhance your healthy living and how you can live agelessly. Yes, how you can maintain your lifestyle that will boost your healthy living and slow down aging process in your body. So in this particular channel, watch out for series of things that concerns health. So I am promising you today that if you want to follow my daily tips on how to live a life that will keep you away from hospital for a very long time, please do well to share, subscribe, and comment on the comment section if you're having any kind of health challenge and you want us to tell you the daily routines that you need to imbibe so that you can help manage that illnesses that you are suffering, or you have gone to the hospital, they give you medicine and everything, but you want things that you can eat or things that can help you live very long. Yes, that can help you to age less, that can help you to always grow. Yes, even if when you are not wearing makeup, you will see that you are glowing and people are asking you, why are you looking ever young? And also what you should eat as well to keep fit, to maintain your health. Yes, and those things you need to do, the type of exercises you need to do depending on your age right now. So we have a lot in pack for you. So if you want to be getting all these huge benefits in this channel, do well to subscribe, share to your friends, and make sure you are following me and you comment and you watch out for daily routine that I will be posting on a daily basis, the tips and what you have to do to be able to live healthily. Please subscribe to my channel and show me some love. Thank you for listening.